Well, it depends on the individual case. So, for example, when we're analyzing a jaw, let's just say, for argument's sake, somebody has 12 teeth and 10 of them are shot and 2 of them may last 5 years. We're not going to work around those 2. We're going to clear it all because this is a hard reset. You can work around these 2. It's not something I believe in because I've never seen any scientific evidence to show that it doesn't create more problems further down the line. Whereas with a clearance, you get to reset at jaw level and reconstruct from there. I think that's another really important point that you need to know. We get people sending us photos and x-rays all the time saying, do I need to have all my teeth out? At least 30% of the time, it's not our solution that they need. What they need is sectional implants and good dentistry. Why? Because at least 70, 50 plus % of the teeth have well over 10 years worth of life in it. We're not taking them out. We're not taking them out. So we tell them, listen, you don't need us. Mm-hmm. And I'll be honest, I'm still shocked by some people who say, well, can't you just take them out? No, we cannot, because it's clinically not the right thing to do. And clinically, why would I take out something that probably needs just a little bit of a tidy up that could quite easily outlast you? Why would I take it out? But if you had 2 teeth that were okay and 10 that were shot to bits, no, we wouldn't leave those 2. We'd just clear it all and just reconstruct the jaw.